Practicing slang like a pro. Dive into English role plays. Hello language enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of English slang. We'll discover how to effectively learn and practice using slang and colloquialisms through role plays and conversations. Remember, it's not just about knowing them, but using them appropriately in context. Role-playing is a method where learners take on characters or roles and act out scenarios to practice using language in a context. For slang, it's particularly useful because 1. Real context. It places slang in real conversational scenarios. 2. Safe environment. You can make mistakes without real-world consequences. 3. Immediate feedback. Your role-play partner can correct you or suggest alternatives on the spot. 1. Choose a scenario. Think of common situations where slang might be used, e.g., a casual chat between friends, a social media conversation, or a dialogue in a cafe. 2. Define roles. Each participant should have a clear role. One could be a local explaining slang to a friend who's just moved to town. 3. Introduce challenges. Include misunderstandings because of slang, prompting explanations and corrections. 1. At a cafe. 2. Person A orders using slang. Can I get a cup of Joe and a Sammy? 3. Person B, confused. A what? 4. Person A explains the slang. 5. Discussing a movie. 6. Person A. That movie was totally lit. 7. Person B. Not familiar with the term, lit? You mean like, it was bright? 8. Person A clarifies. 9. Chatting about weekend plans. 10. Person A. I'm just gonna chillax at home. 11. Person B. Chillax? Is that like chilling and relaxing combined? 12. Person A. Exactly. You got it. 1. Start simple. Begin with a few slang words and gradually incorporate more as you become comfortable. 2. Use slang in context. Always try to use slang in sentences, not in isolation. 3. Ask for feedback. After the role play, discuss with your partner about the slang used. Were there any overuses or misuses? 4. Switch roles. This helps you experience different perspectives and exposes you to varied slang usage. There you have it. Slang is a fun and dynamic part of language, and role-playing is one of the best ways to practice and understand it. We hope you found this video informative and are eager to start your slang role plays. Remember, practice makes perfect, and don't be afraid to get creative and make it fun. Happy learning!